Hello dear students and welcome to the course of data communication. In this video we are going to see some important terms such as bandwidth or data transmission rate, baud rate and beats per second or bit rate. The first term is bandwidth. Bandwidth is also called as data transmission rate. Moving data from one point to another in a given time period is called as bandwidth. Bandwidth is indicated by beats per second. In order to calculate bandwidth, we need to see some of the signals or bandwidth of a signal can be calculated by the difference between upper and lower frequency limits. A bandwidth of signal is defined as a portion of electromagnetic spectrum occupied by a signal, and it is the difference between the upper and lower frequency limits of a signal. For example, if you consider the voice signals which range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and if you want to calculate the bandwidth for this voice signal, then we can have a formula like this: bandwidth equal to f2 minus f1. Here f2 means the higher order frequency and f1 is the low order frequency. In case of voice signal, we have higher or upper limit as 20 kHz minus the lower limit, that is 20 Hz. So it will result into 19,980, which is the bandwidth of a voice channel or signal. The next term is bit rate. As we know that the data speed is measured in terms of beats per second. So it is the measure how much beats per second are transmitted. In order to represent a beat, it needs certain time is required to represent a beat as 1 or 0, as it can be seen from this diagram. For representing a beat 1, suppose it requires a time TB. In that case, data rate for the signal can be calculated as R equal to 1 upon TB. In other words, we can say that data rate R is a function of duration of the beat or beat time, and the rate is called as the channel capacity also. If the beat time is 10 nanoseconds, then the data rate can be calculated as given. Suppose we have a beat time of 10 nanoseconds. In that case, data rate will become 100 million beats per second. So 1 upon TB, here the TB is 10 into 10 raised to 9. Why 10 raised to 9? Because the time or bit time is expressed in terms of nanoseconds, and when we calculate it, it will be result as 100 million beats per second. Let us see bit rate in some other terms. Bit rate is the number of bits sent in 1 second, which is usually expressed in terms of beats per second or BPS. For example, kilobits per second, megabits per second, gigabits per second. As can be seen from this diagram, here a beat interval which takes a fixed unit of time. In 1 second, 6 bits are transmitted. If you calculate how 6 bits, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 bps is the rate, or bit rate is 6 beats per second. The next important term is baud rate. The term baud originates from a French engineer, Emile Baudot, who invented the 5-bit teletype code. The baud rate refers to the number of signals or symbol changes that occur per second. it is possible to send multiple frequency signals in a given time interval, and that is the concept of baud rate. A symbol is one of the several voltage, frequency or phase changes. These bauds are also called as symbols per second sometimes. In this diagram, we can say that t is equal to 1 second. So in 1 second, if there are 8 signals which are transmitted, means that its bit rate is 8 beats per second, and the signal change also occur 8 different times. So the baud rate and bit rate are same in this case. But in general, baud rate is lower than bit rate. See here, the binary has two symbols, that is 0 and 1, which represent the voltage level. In this case, the baud rate and symbol rate is same. However, it is possible to have more than two symbols per transmission interval, whereby each symbol represent multiple bits. So in that case, bit rate will be more than the baud rate. Consider an example. 1500 baud rate means that a channel state can alter up to 1500 times per second. So in a second, the signal changes its state up to 1500 times. That is the meaning of baud or 1500 baud. The meaning of changing the state means that the channel can change its state from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0 up to 1500 times per second. So that is a baud rate. Let us see the relation between bit rate and baud rate. Bit is a unit of information, while baud is a unit of signaling speed. Bit rate is denoted by B, which means the number of bits transmitted per second, while the baud rate S is the number of symbols transmitted per second. So in this case, we can have the bit rate and baud rate in relations such that bit rate equals to baud rate into n, where n is the number of bits per symbol. Hence we can have number of bits that can be represented per symbol. Let us see diagrammatically. In the first diagram, we can say that a bit rate and baud rate is same, as in a second only one symbol is sent, either 0 or 1, similar to the binary system or where we are sending 1 bit per second. In the second diagram, we can see it is denoted as die bit, in which two symbols or two bits are used per symbol. In that case, baud rate will be represented by n, but in this case bit rate becomes 2n. This 2 means there are there are 2 bits per symbol. In the next diagram, we can see there are 3 bits are transmitted. In that case, the relationship between baud rate and bit rate will be n and bit rate will be 3n, as 3 bits are sent per symbol. In the quad bit, there are 4 bits per symbol is used, so bit rate becomes 4n. Now let us compare bit rate and baud rate. Bit rate is the count of bits per second, while baud rate is count of the signals per second. It determines the number of beats traveled per second, while baud rate determines how many times the state of signal is changing. Bit rate term is usually used. The emphasis is on computer efficiency, while baud rate emphasizes on data transmission over the channel is more considered. Bandwidth determination. We cannot determine the bandwidth of a signal by using bit rate, and baud rates are used to determine how much bandwidth is required to send a particular signal. Formula for calculating the bit rate is given. Bit rate is equal to baud rate into the count of bits per signal unit, and baud rate given the bit rate can be calculated by the given formula, such as baud rate equal to bit rate divided by the number of bits per signal unit. Let us take some examples. A signal which carries 5 bits in each signal element. If 1600 signal elements are sent per second, find the baud rate and bit rate in terms of kbps. In order to solve this question, we must first understand what are the given terms. We have given that 5 bits are used as a signal element, which means that 5 bits are representing a single symbol. And how much symbols are sent? 1600 signal elements, which means 1600 signal elements or symbols are sent per second. So let us write what is given. We know that baud rate is the number of signal elements per second. Bit rate is number of bits per second. And we also know the formula for calculation of the bit number, where S is the bit rate, S is the baud rate, and N is the bit rate, and R is the number of bits in each signal. Let us write what is given to us. In this case, 1600 signal elements are sent per second. So we are given the baud rate directly. So 1600 bauds is the baud rate in this case. So baud rate is directly given in the Boolean statement. Now in order to calculate the bit rate, we know that S is 1600, R is 5, and N is unknown, and the relation between S equal to S, N and R, we know that N is equal to S into R. So 1600 multiplied by 5, which becomes 8000 beats per second. It evaluates to beats per second. But in the Boolean statement, we need to answer it in terms of kbps. So 8000 means 8k. Okay. So the data rate here is 8 kbps. Data rate or bit rate is 8 kbps. Let us see another problem. What is the bit rate for the signal in the given figure? So we can analyze from the figure that 60 nanoseconds duration is given, and in between 60 nanoseconds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 beats are transmitted. So number of beats are 8, and bit duration we know is 60 nanoseconds, and by using this we can calculate the bit rate. As we know that bit rate is function of the bit time, and bit time is 16 nanosecond. So bit rate, number of bits 8 divided by 16 ns will give us the bit rate. So 8 upon 16 will evaluate to 0.5 into 109 beats per second. So this calculation will result in this 0.5 into 109, sorry, 10 raised to 9 beats per second. So 500 mbps is the correct answer. So it should be 10 raised to 9 as the time given is in terms of nanoseconds. So this is not 109, it is 10 raised to 9, and the final answer for bit rate will be 500 mbps. Let us see another example. An analog signal carries 4 bits per signal. If 1000 signal elements are transmitted per second, find the bit rate. So again, signal elements are given, that means baud rate is given, and we can calculate by using this formula, n equal to s into r, where r is 4, that is 4 bits per symbol, and the baud rate is 1000 bits. So 1000 into r is 4000 beats per second, or in other words we can say 4 kbps. 4 kbps is the beat rate for the given problem. So this is how we can calculate the beat rate if the baud rate is given, and baud rate if the beat rate is given. Let us see another example. An analog signal has beat rate of 8000 beats. So here beat rate is given and baud rate is also given, 1000 bauds. So what is to be calculated? How many data elements? How many data elements are carried by each signal element? So bit rate, that is n is known, baud rate, that is s is known, and we know the relation between s, n and r. So r we need to calculate. So r is equal to n divided by s. It will result, or it will give us the number of data elements used. So 8000 divided by 1000 will result in 8. So in this transmission 8 data elements are used. So these are various different types of questions. Sometimes bit rate is given, sometimes baud rate is given, sometimes both are given, and we need to calculate data elements. Be prepared for all these types of questions as they may be asked in the theory exams. We'll stop over here. In the next video we'll see the other remaining terms. Thank you.